Hey everybody, it's Darren W. Carter of Carter's Barbecue, and today we are doing a Test Kitchen Tuesday. Actually, I'm going to do a recipe that I found from a gentleman on TikTok. So let's get to it. Let's see how it turns out, and here's our first Test Kitchen Tuesday. Okay, these are the ingredients of what we're going to use. And a brat. We got some brown and served. This is the frozen sausages, and we have some bacon. So what I want to do is put some holes in the brats, put a stick of frozen frozen sausage into the brat and wrap it with bacon. And then we're going to top it off with Caribbecue's honey heat. And then it's going on the pit barrel smoker. So let's get this started. All right, we have our brat, we have our frozen sausage, and we have our bacon. So let's put some holes in this thing. Put it here. We are going to drop one there. Let's put one on the other side as well. There we go. All right, close that up. Roll this out a little. And there is our stuffed brat. And with that, we are wrapping in bacon. Looks like I'm going to need 2 pieces here. All right, we'll do that. And from there, get a little bit of Caribbecue's honey heat. Yes, I have a busy household and you hear my son, but I'm sure like your kids are with you as well. And I hope that you all are getting through with the COVID-19 on the coronavirus, and hope that you all are safe and staying healthy and supporting your local restaurants. Support them, give them huge tips. Let's go with that. So here we are. Here is the stuffed brat, and I have 3 more to do. I'm going to do those, and then we're going to the pit barrel smoker. All right, let's go. All right, so here's my brats stuffed with sausage, wrapped in bacon. Usually, you know, with brats, you have sauerkraut or something like that, but I'm just going to put this in a bun just to get it. Wow, this is quite huge. And I have my own barbecue sauce, so I'm going to slather some of that on there. And let's take a bite. I'll tell you, this is some interesting flavor. First, of course, you taste the bacon. And then the biggest hit, even before you get to the brat, is the sausage that's in there. But your mouth will love this. So, I want to finish eating. Hope you enjoy. Take care. And that's it. A souped up brat. Who would have ever figured, right? But the idea of putting the frozen sausage into the brat and, of course, wrapping it with bacon, because we all know everything is better with bacon. So it's pretty good. It was something new, something interesting to try. So I'm glad you all are sharing this with me and viewing this with me. So we'll see you on next Tip Tuesday and or Test Kitchen Tuesday. Be sure to check out my other social media sites, wherever they may be. I think they're posted down here somewhere. But until we see you again, take care.